Hello everyone, this video will show you how ShopWindow helps you with your data from your leads and customers, so you can leverage them for marketing and retargeting purposes. First thing we need to do is to access the customer section, clicking on the link on the left menu. Once there, you will see a listing with data about anyone who ever entered your sales funnel. At minimum, all entries should contain name, phone number, email, and eventually, social ID provided by the social network the lead came from. An example of such a social ID would be Facebook PSID. Aside from that, you will see average spend, total spend, and currency along with the last time the customer was seen on your shop window. When clicking on details, for each entry, you can see the activity of that particular customer or lead within your shop window. It will show both purchase and items and visited but not purchased items, including the step on the funnel, the lead abandoned quick offer. You can export the dataset to a CSV file in order to feed marketing tools of your preference. Like this, you will be able to build lookalike audiences and perform retargeting campaigns. In the next video, we will introduce the dashboard to you so you have real-time control over your shop window, your products, and your customers.